For our group project, we wanted to explore the question of renting versus buying a home. Our team is based in Los Angeles, one of the most expensive home-owning cities in the world. Home buying or renting can be a stressful and difficult decision. There are so many variables and considerations that it is difficult for a person to consider every variable. We wanted to provide a way to incorporate all of the available data into an easy-to-use and visually appealing tool that sheds lights on homeownership decision. In our cost of buying or renting algorithm, or COBRA, we make it easy for home buyers to make the best financial choice in the short term or in the long term. We obtained our data set from Zillow and from Kaggle. Our combined data sets contained approximately 2.8 million data points, each one representing a home and that home's characteristics. We used Google Maps API and jQuery, or Google Maps API, jQuery, and D3 to design the front end of our graphical user interface. On the back end, our Python algorithm takes the user inputted data and uses it to filter the data set. Our algorithm then classifies each zip code as buy, rent, or exclude. This tool produces a color-coded map with the rent, buy, and exclude recommendations. Additionally, our Python algorithm builds a rent versus buy value over time line graph and a budget line graph. While other tools may exist that make similar recommendations, our tool is unique in the way that it integrates visualization and recommendations. Other tools like Money Under 30 tools only account for total cost and do not take into account net value. Evaluating our results posed a difficult question and an interesting challenge because there is no definitive right or wrong answer to the rent versus buy question. However, we were able to assess the usefulness of our tool against other similar tools in real-life situations. We randomly sampled 12 homes from our data set, and we asked 5 participants to evaluate whether they would rent, buy, or say the home is out of their budget. When we compared the human-based results to COBRA's results and the results of other tools, we found that COBRA often agreed with the user's decision. Our method aligned with the users more often than did the other tools, and it also accounted for an out-of-budget option while the other tools did not. Overall, we feel that COBRA makes a data-driven and useful recommendation. We feel that our tool could be expanded to other cities and be a useful contribution to the world of home buying.